Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create Gantt chart in Microsoft Planner. All right, so let's begin with the video. To get started, first log into Microsoft Planner using your account credentials. Microsoft Planner does not include a built-in Gantt chart feature, but there are still a few ways to create a similar timeline view for your projects and tasks. Once you are inside the platform, go to the My Plans section located on the left side of the screen. After opening it, click on the New Plan option. A pop-up window will appear where you will need to choose the type of plan you want to create. From the available options, select Business Plan. After selecting the Business Plan option, the platform will ask you to enter a name for your plan. Simply type in your preferred plan name and then click on the Create button. Within a few seconds, your new business plan will be successfully created. After your plan has been created, open it and look at the different view options available, such as grid, board, and schedule. To create a Gantt-style layout, switch to the schedule view. This allows you to visualize your tasks across a timeline, which works similarly to a basic Gantt chart. While it's not a full-featured Gantt chart system, it still provides a useful timeline overview for tracking tasks and project progress. For more advanced Gantt chart functionality, you may need to use Microsoft Project and either import your planner tasks or recreate them there manually. However, the schedule view inside Microsoft Planner is one of the closest built-in alternatives available, and that's it. So that's basically how you can create Gantt chart in Microsoft Planner. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.